Darwinbox Resignation process. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can complete the resignation process on Darwinbox. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to resign through Darwinbox, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Accessing your Darwinbox account. Open a web browser and go to your company's Darwinbox login page. Enter your official ID and password to login. Click on your profile picture or icon at the top right corner to access your profile page. Step 2. Initiating the resignation process. Scroll down to the Employee Self-Service section. Click on Employee Life Cycle Separation New Request. Fill out the resignation form or date of resignation, auto-filled or manually entered, or reason for resignation, select from the drop-down menu, or last date as per notice period, automatically calculated based on company policy, or requested last date optional. Enter a preferred last working day if needed, or attachments optional. Upload supporting documents if required. Click Submit to send your resignation request. Step 3. Understanding the approval workflow. Your resignation request will be sent to your L1 manager supervisor for approval. Once approved, it moves to HRBP HR business partner for final approval. Step 4. Monitoring the status of your resignation. Go to Employee Life Cycle Separation Suspension to check the status. The resignation request will be displayed as pending, approved, or rejected. So that's how you can complete your resignation process on Darwinbox. That's all for this video.